Ooh, why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and look, I have a bow hold that I want to show you here. Look at that. Let's talk about bow hold. All right, when you're starting out on violin and viola, this is literally the hardest thing to grasp. In concept, it's easy, right? You're like, just smack it on and we're good to go. Not that easy, okay? Let's just break it down, okay? So this metal part here, it's called the ferrule. If you're like age 6 or below, you will want to do what we call the outside bow hold. So you're going to put your thumb on the ferrule, wrap your fingers around, and tippy toe pinky. Okay, so that's our outside bow hold. Age 7 and above, I've found, all the way to adult, let's just do the inside bow hold. Okay, so we're going to get our thumb bent, and we're going to contact right this edge of the thumb right here. Do you see that real estate, that wooden part that's right available between the frog and the leather wrapping there, right? Boom, right there, okay? Not in the frog's mouth. I used to do this and I used to get hand cramps and just no, no, no. And it's not flexible. Right here, that's what we want, right? Match that with the middle finger, wrap our index finger around, ring finger on the face of the frog, and then tippy toe pinky. And I mean tippy toe pinky, okay? You see that? Not falling over, not like this, hanging on for dear life, right there, okay? Our spacing of the finger should be fairly natural. So we're not going to be like this, or like that, okay? Just kind of natural spacing, okay? The index finger is going to be contacting the stick between the first and second joints, okay? You can vary that as you wish once you get to know your, how to hold the bow and what's more comfortable for you, but let's just keep it that way, okay, for now. That's a good starting point. All right, the other important thing to think about is the tunnel. As one of my teachers said, there's strength in the circle, okay? There we go. We want to have that nice rounded circle there, okay? It allows for flexibility in the fingers, okay? And springiness. We really want that to be available. If we collapse and we have like a fist of some sort, we're going to get an ugly sound and we're not flexible, all right? I always say that the bow should be used for playing, not fighting like a fist. We don't want that, okay? All right, so there it is. There's the bow hold, the basic setup. Kind of beautiful in a way, but not that easy to do. All right, so join me next time because I'm going to talk about some exercises to get this to be more natural, and you might have some fun along the way and see me suffer as well. So I'll see you next time.